You know, you can leave me unsupervised. I really am just a child at heart. Really? Hi everybody and welcome to Jimmy Draws Art. I'm Jimmy Dragon, and today I want to talk about a part of my last video I did where I did this animated sequence at the end of the video. Yes, it was the animated sequence that you saw at the beginning of this video, but in order to get the joke, you should really watch the last video. You know, wink wink, nudge nudge. But as for this video that I have here, I wanted to show you how I did this sequence, and honestly I don't have any animation programs. I did this whole sequence basically using Photoshop and my video editing program HitFilm Express. So basically I did most of the work in Photoshop. I took what I said in my voiceover and I pictured it in my mind basically what I was doing. After that I determined how many frames of animation I was basically going to need. I think the hardest part of this animation was basically the hand swiping and the shrugging of the shoulders in the animation. So to be honest, I am not an animator. I don't consider myself to be an animator, nor do I ever picture myself being an animator. I am more of a comic person or a character artist, like what I usually do with my artwork. I just decided that this time I wanted to be a little bit more adventurous in this endeavor. So basically with each frame that I drew, I broke it up into 3 different parts and drew each part with the animation in mind. If that makes any sense, I don't know. I mean, it kind of does to me anyway. So anyway, I just pictured each frame and then basically just drew that frame. So after that, I basically colored the main frame and then I just edited each other frame with that color layer. And then I just basically grouped each layer group and then I just kind of saved each frame. So if that also makes any sense. So basically there was a total of 6 different frames that I brought into my video editing software. And then I just lined up what I could with the voiceover. So the funny thing is, I didn't think that this was all that hard to do. I think I will experiment with this more in the future, but I also think I will probably maybe try and download some animation software for the next time too. So if you have any idea what to download that happens to be for free, I think I will probably give it a go. Okay, well, I think I may have actually talked enough for now. I think I'll let the time lapse go ahead and take over and then we'll come back in a moment. Okay, so basically this last part here that I want to show you here is basically how I actually laid it all out in my video editing software. So basically these are like my files that are over here, and this is the timeline that I put everything together in, and this is just basically how I put it all together. So yeah, that's basically it. This is probably the easiest part of doing everything that I did. Well, I think that should do it. If you like this video, definitely hit that button at the bottom. And if you want to see more content like this in the future, definitely hit that subscribe button. So with that, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, and bye-bye.